Login loops are terrible, locking you out of Ubuntu and preventing you from doing whatever PC-based activity you had to do. They can also happen for any number of reasons. We cover some of the most common reasons here and the fixes to help stop login loops happening. Hi, this is Phil from Make Tech Easier and this is how to fix the Ubuntu login loop. One of the more common and arguably most frustrating bugs experienced by Ubuntu users is the login boot loop. When you try to log into Ubuntu after starting up, you get taken right back around to the same login screen and the process repeats indefinitely. It might seem like you're out of luck, but there are a couple of ways to break the loop. The most common cause is a strange permission issue with a file Ubuntu needs to start the graphical desktop. You can work your way around it by entering the command line shell and correcting the file permission. It's a quick fix and it works in most cases. Let's get started. Log into the shell. Start Ubuntu like you normally would, let it get all the way to the login screen. When you get there, don't sign in. Instead, press Ctrl Alt F3 on your keyboard. Ubuntu will drop out of the graphical login screen and back into a black and white terminal. Enter your username in the prompt and then provide your password when asked. You'll arrive at a familiar looking terminal screen. You can navigate here exactly like you do in your graphical terminal windows. Check the permissions of X authority. The file that you need to check is in the root of your /home folder. After logging in, you should already be there. The file is a hidden .dot file, so you're going to need to use the right flags when looking it up. Search using ls and grep in the following command. ls -lah grep -i X authority. Be sure to use the capital X. You should see the file listed with the permissions first, followed by the username and group that own it. If you see root listed there, you've found the source of the problem. Change the permissions of X authority. Now that you know what's causing the problem, it's time to set it right. Instead of root, your user and group should own that X authority file. You can change the ownership by running the chown command with sudo chown username :username .x authority. That should go off without a hitch, so you're ready to try logging in again. Press Ctrl Alt F7 to return to your normal login screen and log into Ubuntu. Other options. If that didn't work or your X resources file was owned by you and your regular user, you have a couple of other options to try. These aren't necessarily guaranteed either, but they're worth a shot. Change /temp permissions. Sometimes the /temp folder, which stores the temporary files your computer is working on, experiences the same exact issue as the X authority folder. The process of fixing it is very similar. Go ahead and log into the terminal again, then check the permissions of /temp, sudo ls-lah/temp. You're looking for the permissions for the top entry, the single dot or period. If they look something like drwx, rwx, rwt, you're okay. If not, you should reset them to that state with the chmod and sudo commands. Sudo chmod 177/temp. Finally, when all else fails, you can try switching your display manager. This was a much more common issue prior to Ubuntu 17.10 when it switched to GNOME and GDM for logins. Still, on some versions of Ubuntu, LightDM is the standard. On the other hand, if you're using GNOME and GDM, you can try LightDM. Log into the terminal again. From there, install the display manager you want to try. During the install, Ubuntu will ask you if you want to switch. Then, of course, you will agree. With any luck, one of these methods solved the problem, and we really hope so, and you're able to log into Ubuntu as usual. Okay, as always, thanks for watching. That's all for now. See you next time.